know remaining color is always where you're going to. It's orange. So I know I'm going to expose all that orange going to a level 7. How do I formulate? Well, if my guiding principle of hair color tells me it's orange plus the color I choose equals my final color. So, what do I do with that? Well, I need to decide orange, am I going to enhance that orange or refine that orange? In other words, am I looking for a red orange or a redhead at a level 7? Or does my guest want an ashier color at a level 7? So I need to decide how I'm going to enhance or refine that. What do? I go to my color star. That's how I decide what I'm going to use. Here's my color star right here. Okay. If I want to enhance that orange that's going to get exposed at a level 7, I'm going to choose something that has a tonality of any of these right here. Red, orange, or yellow. Makes sense, right? So it'll be orange plus red, orange, yellow, or red. If I don't want orange and my guest wants something to be cooler and not so orange, I'm going to pick colors on the opposite side, like you said. What's the opposite of orange? Blue. So I need to pick a base color that's blue. Blue violet, violet, or blue green to counteract all that orange that's going to get exposed. So you know how we talk about, we have shades, I want to put on an ash blonde or an ash brown, or my hair exposes a lot of red, you got to make it ashy. I mean, we've heard this over and over again from guests, or even coloring our own hair. We know the only way I'm going to counteract that is to pick a base color that has one of these cooler tones. And that's how you're going to formulate. Okay? So I know I'm going to a level 7. I say I want to counteract this. I'm going to go to my color chart. If you want to open up your color chart for me. The purple page that I gave you. Can you grab me one of the bathroom goods? Okay, see, everybody see on the left-hand side where it has the numbers? I want you to go to number 7 on the left-hand side. Does everybody see it? Yes. Okay. When you look at this color chart, you're going to see browns, golds, reds, violet, ashes. Okay? If I want to counteract, I need to pick something with a number 7 in it and something that's ashy. So I'm going to go all the way to the right side of my color chart. See, if you look on the top, it says blue, violet, yellow, green, blue, blue. Does everybody see that? So add a number 7. What do I have that's green, blue, or blue for choices? What are the 2 choices I have there? That's a number 7 under blue, green, and blue.
7 asterisk 1.
Yeah.
7
Or what's next to it?
721.
On the 7.
Yes, 7cc. So, if I want to counteract all that orange that's coming through the hair with no gray, I need to choose one of these colors. And that's how we formulate. Because if I chose something at a level 7 that was red, now take your eyes from that right and move to the left. If I took something that was red, orange, gold, caramel, beige blonde. What do you think would happen when I expose all that orange?
You're gonna enhance.
I'm going to enhance it. I'm going to make them redder. Even if I use just a basic brown, it's not enough blue or green in my basic browns to counteract that. You need to use a cooler choice. Color theory never changes. What you have for options on your color chart never changes. Your creativity is going to be from how much you use, which color you choose. Does that make sense? It's not because you've rewritten the book of red, yellow, and blue. A lot of formulas can be similar that we do every day. It all depends on what type of hair that you're putting it on. Does that make sense? So your color chart is going to be how you formulate it. Does anybody have any questions? Do we understand what remaining color is and the importance of what that means in our formulation? Now we're going to move into the steps of formulation. How do we formulate? So the first is determine natural level.